Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking you on a house tour with a twist. Finding a house in central London with an enormous garden almost seems mythical. It's like finding a unicorn in your morning cup of coffee. Well, buckle up because we stumbled across this great property, not just with any garden. We've got an incredible 80-foot garden. Yes, you heard right. 80 feet of green space right smack in the middle of central London. If you're new to the channel, my name's Monty Nawaz. I'm a central London boutique developer with agency experience. We've got several projects on the go in central London at any time, and we're going to be doing a walkthrough tour of one of our latest projects, which is a house flip with a resale value of £2.25 million. Let's take a look. Just looking at the external of the house, Edwardian house, painted black on the outside at the top, which you're going to follow that through as well. Coming inside to the hallway. On the left hand side, we've got this double door, full height, that takes us into a double reception room here. We've got these new windows that are all covered up, and then you'll notice that the floor has been covered up as well. And that's the view you get of the double reception room. We've got a mix of traditional and modern here with the ceiling rose and the coving, and then we've got some spotlights, and once again we've got this double height door here that will then lead us outside. As we turn left here, we've got some wood paneling just to give it that bespoke feel, walking through into the open plan kitchen and lounge, which is a huge space, which is an enormous rear extension. On the left hand side here, we've got a side return, and then this space here is going to be your open plan kitchen, living, dining, entertaining space. As we enter the garden, on the right hand side we're going to have some paving, walking back, and then this is the view that you've got of the length of the garden. On the right hand side there, we've got some nice houses that have done something similar. This will all get landscaped. On the left hand side we'll have some planters, on the right hand side we'll have some grass coming back into the house. On the right hand side here, the first room here is what we call a plant room. That's where we have all of the boilers, all of the pipe work is there, all of the electrics will be there as well. And then on the left hand side, what we're going to have is a powder room stroke WC. This is for your guests or your family to use, so they don't have to use the bathrooms upstairs. Now these are the original stairs. They've been cladded with some wood as well, just to give it a very nice feel. We've got the wood paneling going upstairs, and as we come into the hallway, this is the original house. Looking behind, we've got two bedrooms at the end coming into the first bedroom. What we've done here is we've created a vaulted ceiling that just gives it that feeling of height. As you've seen in some of my past videos, it's a rinse and repeat. This is the glass roof that also looks down into the kitchen, and then we've got a nice green palette here. Coming out of this room on the right hand side, similar to one of our last projects, we've got a bathroom for this bedroom. This is what we call a family bathroom. Tiles here are from Mandarin Stone, which is a lovely supplier in central London in some of the great locations, Primrose Hill and Chelsea and Fulham. A small niche there. We're going to have a bath, and then we've got a shower over here. Now what's important to note here is the floor to ceiling tiles, so we're not saving on costs and we're offering the buyers something special. This room here, we've got wood paneling all the way throughout, and we've tried to create what we call a gentleman's room here. It's actually going to be a study, or it could be used as a small guest bedroom as well, and the wall paneling just gives it that three-dimensional touch. We've created a master bedroom which is got this ensuite, which is wood paneling. It's going to have some wallpaper, spotlights, and as we look down here, we've got some tiles that have been covered and protected, some wall-mounted taps, and then once again a full height tiling, so we're not saving on cost here. A lovely pink color, coving, ceiling rose, new windows. Before we go upstairs, it's really important to note that the house was originally on the two floors that we've been in, the ground floor and the first floor. Everything that we're going to see upstairs is new value add. It was the original loft space, and what we've created up there is two bedrooms and a bathroom. Now, a question that I've got for you guys is, where have we created value on the ground floor? Let's take a look upstairs. So walking upstairs, wood panels, stairs have all been covered here, and I love this skylight, which is what we always put in some of our projects, where we've got some nice natural light flooding this hallway. The blue colour just really sets off this hallway, I love it. Now we walk into the first room here. As we turn around, before we do that, you've got 2 further bedrooms. This is the light that comes into the main hallway, wood cladding all the way throughout as well, and we've got a bathroom here for the 2 bedrooms. Coming out of the bathroom into the hallway, and we've got 2 bedrooms. The first bedroom on the right we've painted in blue, and we've got a really nice carpet that will go down, and on the right hand side we've got a niche here where we'll have a wardrobe and a carpentry bespoke wardrobe. And can look at that shiny door here. The door's been spray painted. Love these door handles. Let me know what you think of those, guys. And on the right hand side, before we go out, you'll see some nice skirting. On the right hand side here, we're going to turn into this room, a nice double loft room here. We're going to have some wallpaper on the end wall, painted in a nice green. As we turn around, we've got some under eave storage, and at the end there, we're going to have some bespoke wardrobes. This is all under eave storage here, and then this room will be carpeted. Lovely, lovely space, love this. Now there's going to be lots of bespoke details in this house. We've got high-end appliances. We're using the best materials. Some of those tiles from Mandarin stone. We haven't cut corners where we've gone half wall tiles. We've gone from floor to ceiling all the way, which the buyers will appreciate. And a question that I've got for you is, who do you think the buyer profile is? Is it going to be a family? Is it going to be a young couple? Is it going to be international buyers? We're in a location that's literally about 5 minutes from Shepherd's Bush, and close to Westfields, close to Notting Hill. That's the location that we're in. It's a little bit of homework for you guys as part of your learning process, as part of the journey. With that said, thank you to you guys, the viewers, and hopefully I'll see you on the next episode. Monty Nawaz, out.